Hi everyone, I'm Sam from F Cafe, and today I'm going to uh, show you a comparison between two models with F Cafe. So previously I built this simple waiting waiting list landing page using DeepSeek V4. If you want to check model, you can go here inside project settings and models. I used custom, and here you can see I used DeepSeek V4 models for creating this project. But I will pick the same project and idea, but I will use this time Gemini model. I used DeepSeek V4 Flash, so I'm going to use Gemini 3 Flash for comparison. Let's go to advanced option and paste it here. Let me see which model uses Gemini 3 Flash. Let me see from here. I can come here and see maybe Pro. Yeah, in Pro model it's using Gemini 3 Flash preview, so I'll use this model for our current generation. So I can come to this screen. Pro is already selected, so I'll keep it balanced for planning mode, and let's start the generation and see how it turns out. Basically it's understanding my requirement, and yeah, it asks me questions. Beside the countdown and email capture, which section should we include on home page to help convince people to join the waiting list? So I don't want anything extra, so I'll just skip it for now. Since we are building this as a police static site instead of real-time admin dashboard, would you prefer the waiting signups to be sent you by email? Okay, stored in a simple lead list. Okay, store it. I don't want email notifications or something. It might, like, if I need to need the email notification, then I might need to go through some steps like providing the emails and everything. So I don't want to do those things. So let me just uh, ask it to store somewhere. When it's thinking, let me show you. Like from sidebar you can see the progress. We completed requirement part. It's now in planning phase. We have to go to plan review, and then we can finally see the generate site and publish it. So this is how in order the generation will continue. So we are in the planning right now, and planning might take a few seconds to minutes. Yeah, let's wait a few minutes here. So when planning is going on, you can see tips or about app cafe. Like there are flashcard and slides. You can go through slides and see our feature tips and anything from here. So I will pause here and will back when planning is ready. It asks me to select one style. So for this waiting list I'm going to use dark, since I used a dark mode for previous generation with DeepSeek as well, so I'm also going with the dark one here. Let me continue with this. It will again start the planning. It was quick and our plan is ready now. So it suggested me a single page here with a lot of sections here. Let me collapse it. It's a conversational panel. If you want to edit something, you can do it from conversation as well, but you can do it directly from here visually. So let me collapse this for now, and if I click these sections or page, it will open up edit form here, and I can edit from here. So if I want to add email, let me add one placeholder email info at the rate darkpulse.com. Okay, also phone number I'll keep it same. Also this location I will keep it as it is. I don't want to modify most of the things, so I will continue with this. And here in I can also play around with the design. There are a lot of options I can choose. There are already built predefined presets or it look and feel as well, so I can choose. I want something darker, so I will go with bold. Let me try out a few more. As I like the bold one, I will go with this. Let me ask it to generate. It started the generation, so it can take few time to generate. Yeah, when generating it asks me another question: how should the real-time sign-up counter behave? So actual database count of the registered email. So yeah, so the count. I'll say next. So the admin dashboard is protected by login. Let me see. Okay, let me make it no login required. Okay, let's go with this. Now it continued the generation, so I'll be back when generation completes. Okay, finally our every page generation and everything is completed. Now it's checking the quality. Let's wait few more minutes and see how it turns out. So if you want to see more into the detailed log, then you can go to advanced option and see activity logs and see what's happening here. It completed all the page building steps, their agents running. You don't have to understand everything here. You just like technical log what is when the actual flow of agents, how it created everything. So if you want to look into it, then you can also look, but you can avoid if you want. So here go to build again. I think everything is ready and let's wait for it to preview. Finally our preview is ready. Let's review together. Yep. Okay, dark pulse. The pulse is building. There is the hero section with countdown here and launch terminal. I can add email address here. Let me add my email. And what is this? Interest level. Okay, developer. Secure early. Welcome to the plus pulse. Okay. Yeah, I can see other menus. Let me collapse it for now. So there is also form for join list. Yep, it has good footer, header, how it works, good animation, the feature about. Okay, yeah, it seems quite good. It has what we expected, everything what we expected. There are some stats also. There is a vision section. Yep, so we generated this using Gemini 3 Flash. Now let's see the previous generation. We used uh, DeepSeek V4. Let's wait it to load. Yeah, so it generated this to for us. So let me collapse this again, and you can see like here it is. It also generated this countdown. There is a button to join list. It here is the form. Yep, seems pretty good on this as well. So both generated a site, but I think Gemini matched my expectation. Like we use the same prompt. You can see the prompt from here. So on original requirement, if you see, I asked it to generate dark theme. So yep, so Gemini didn't generate the dark theme, but yep, almost other feature were as what we expected. But DeepSeek also did a great job on this. So this was our comparison video on Gemini and 3 Flash and DeepSeek 4 Flash. So we'll be back with other videos, similar videos in future. So stay tuned and let me know if you use this App Cafe platform for your project or not in comments. Until that, stay tuned.